Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Home. I'm Alice.
And I'm John. Hey, friends, we're so happy you're listening today.
Today, we're talking about a super important skill, using English in real-life situations.
Yes, it's one thing to learn English from books or apps, but another to actually use it outside in daily life.
Exactly. That's why we'll share practical tips, examples, and strategies to speak English naturally at school, work, or even while traveling.
Right, Alice. For example, ordering food, asking for directions, chatting with colleagues. These are simple situations where English can make life easier and more fun.
And we'll show you how to stay confident, make mistakes without fear, and use common phrases that work every time.
Plus, real-life examples from us, even funny or awkward moments we've had while using English.
By the end of this episode, you'll feel ready to speak English naturally in everyday situations and enjoy it at the same time.
And we want to hear from you. Where do you use English in real life? Comment below and share your experiences.
All right, John, let's dive in and make using English in real life simple and fun.
Yes, let's get started.
John, what's the first step to using English in real life?
Start small, Alice. Use English in everyday situations, like greeting someone. Hi, how are you? Or asking simple questions. Where is the restroom?
Yes, short, clear sentences work best. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Communication comes first.
And prepare common phrases for situations you encounter often. For example, at a cafe, I'd like a coffee, please. Or at work, could you help me with this?
Also, practice listening and responding naturally. English is more than words. It's about interaction, tone, and gestures too.
Exactly. Mimicking native speakers from videos or podcasts helps. You'll notice natural expressions, intonation, and small details that books don't teach.
Even short daily routines, like talking to friends online in English, keep your skills active and practical.
Right. Confidence grows with consistent use, not just studying. Alice, some learners get nervous using English in public. How can they overcome that?
It's normal to feel nervous. Start in low-pressure environments, online chats, language exchanges, or talking to friends. Small steps build confidence.
And remember, mistakes are okay. Everyone makes them. Focus on being understood rather than perfect grammar.
Also, observe how others speak English in real life. Notice phrases, gestures, and polite expressions. Then try them yourself.
Exactly. Role-playing helps too. Pretend you're at a restaurant, asking for directions or ordering tickets. It's playful and safe.
And don't forget positive self-talk. I can do this. Even small encouragement boosts motivation.
Finally, make English a part of your hobbies. Watch movies, read recipes, or play games in English. It makes learning natural.
John, how can learners practice English with others in real life?
Start with friends or classmates. Ask questions, describe your day, or share short stories in English. Social learning makes it fun.
Yes, join online communities, language apps, or even local meetups. Practicing with real people boosts confidence quickly.
Even small interactions matter. Greeting neighbors, ordering food, or talking to colleagues. Every conversation counts.
And remember to mix listening and speaking. Understanding others is just as important as expressing yourself.
Mistakes are normal. The more you use English in real life, the easier and more natural it becomes.
All right, friends. Alice here. Using English in real life is about small steps, common phrases, and practicing in real situations.
John here. Confidence grows when you communicate, not when you just study. Don't fear mistakes and keep interacting.
Daily practice, social interactions, and playful role-playing make English natural and enjoyable.
Vocabulary time. Quick words from today. Phrase. A short group of words used together. Example, I'd like a coffee, please. Interaction. Communicating with others. Example, every interaction helps me improve. Confidence. Feeling sure about your ability. Example, I speak English with confidence. Mistake. Something done incorrectly. Example, making mistakes is part of learning.
Now we want to hear from you. Where do you use English in real life? Comment below and practice with our community.
Thanks for joining us on English Home. Keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy using English every day.
Bye for now.
See you next time.